Did you know that one simple nutrient can reduce blood sugar spikes naturally? It's called soluble fiber, and most people don't get enough of it, especially in everyday meals. What soluble fiber is? Soluble fiber is a special type of fiber that dissolves in water and forms a gel-like texture in your stomach. That gel slows down how fast sugar enters your bloodstream. This means fewer spikes, and more stable energy. The best sources of soluble fiber. You don't need expensive foods. These simple options work perfectly. Oats, chia seeds, flax seeds, beans and lentils, apples and pears, berries, okra, avocado, carrots, sweet potatoes, barley, psyllium husk. Adding even one of these to your daily meals makes a big difference. How to add soluble fiber to your daily meals. Here's how to fit it into your normal diet without stress. Breakfast. 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in oats or yogurt. A bowl of oatmeal with berries. Smoothie with oats plus chia plus fruits. Lunch. Add a scoop of beans or lentils to rice. Avocado as a side. Carrots or okra in stews. Dinner. Swap regular potatoes for sweet potatoes. Add okra, carrots, or vegetables. Mix lentils with your grains. Snacks. Apple or pear. Greek yogurt with berries. Sprinkle flax seeds on smoothies or pap. Simple meal plan to reduce blood sugar spikes. Here's an easy example you can follow today. Morning. Oatmeal plus chia seeds plus berries. Afternoon. Rice plus beans plus vegetables. Evening. Sweet potato plus protein plus okra stir fry. Night snack, if hungry. Apple plus peanut butter. All of these help slow digestion and keep your blood sugar steady. So start by adding just one soluble fiber food into each meal. Small changes, big results. If you're working on better blood sugar, digestion, or weight control, soluble fiber is your friend. Please subscribe for more faith and health inspiration from Mamiya, K6D.